Are you 55 or older and sometimes just feel extremely frustrated with technology? Well, today I want to tell you that your voice matters. Hi, and welcome to Tech for Grownups. If this is your first time visiting the channel, we are glad to have you. Here at Tech for Grownups, we are the authority and advocate for technology for people who are 55 and over. Whether it be smartphones, computers, or home automation, or even AI, we create content and spread information to help people who are 55 and over to feel not only more confident and comfortable with using technology, but also to have some fun with it as well. We are conducting a research study to better understand the tech challenges faced by the adults in our community and even our generation. Your insights will create better solutions and resources for us to provide you, and also to be an advocate for you with the tech companies and all of their affiliates. We feel this is a real issue that is not being addressed today. So what's involved in the research study that we're conducting? Well, below in the description, you'll find a link to a website that you'll be able to complete a quick online questionnaire. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Then afterwards, you will receive an invitation to a follow-up discussion group where you're able to share your experiences in a supportive environment. So now for the big question, who can participate? This is open to those who are 55 and older. It's open to any level of tech experience. If you have very little tech experience and maybe you're possibly afraid of technology, you're afraid to press a button or choose wrong, this is definitely for you. Also, if you are a tech nerd like myself, then this is definitely for you as well. Even if you have a whole bunch of tech experience, if you worked in the tech industry, this is still for you. We want to get information from everybody that will help us make the right decisions and also make the right case to those who we need to speak with. Lastly, we take privacy seriously. We do not share information with anyone, and we wouldn't want that done to us. So your information is completely protected. The participation in this is absolutely voluntary, but your participation is greatly appreciated and will have a definite impact on things moving forward. Are you ready to share your story? Click the link below in the description and it will take you right to the website. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or to contact us directly sending us a message. Thank you for your time today, and we greatly appreciate each and every one of you. See you soon.